To provide quality services to the population, such as certificates of absence or presence of convictions and other documents, in Bishkek and the regions, there are 45 centers and points for providing government services under the unified window principle. In just the last 3 years, 1,590,000 certificates and 28,155 apostilled documents have been issued. In accordance with the resolution of the Cabinet of Ministers of the Kyrgyz Republic on the provision of state and municipal services to the population of Batken region, the centers and points for providing government services of the Ministry of Internal Affairs of the Kyrgyz Republic in Batken region, operating under the unified window principle, have been provided citizens with 35,000 certificates and other documents free of charge. Over the 3 years of operation of the unified window centers and points, as well as the state registration service UNAA, approximately 3 billion soms have been transferred to the Republican budget.